This will give you the optimum parts per million of potassium that a young growing tomato plant needs to fruit healthily. Did you know you actually only need 2 ingredients, just 2 ingredients, to make the best superfood for feeding your growing tomato plants? And one of those ingredients is water. But it is passata or even tinned tomatoes. Now the only thing you have to make sure is that you don't have any salt or other ingredients in the tinned tomatoes or passata. So I have these 2 brands here. They are 100% tomatoes. The reason tomatoes are good for feeding tomatoes is because they're high in potassium. So our growing tomatoes that we're growing in the garden need the potassium that those other tomatoes have already absorbed when they were growing. And the passata sauce is high in potassium. In fact, it has a great NPK. It also has nitrogen and phosphorus, but it has a greater quantity of potassium. Obviously, this is quite an acidic product, so you don't want to overwhelm your plants with too much acidity. So I know this is a great product. Not only are we going to eat it, we can put it on our tomatoes and feed our tomatoes. And then I keep the jar for when I make my own passata when my tomatoes have ripened. So the cycle, the life cycle of this jar of passata and my own tomatoes are just really neat. There's no waste product, there's nothing to go in the landfill. You need 50 to 70 millilitres per litre of water. So 50 to 70 millilitres of tomato or passata per litre of water. And this will give you the optimum parts per million of potassium that a young growing tomato plant needs to fruit healthily. This is what your Tomato Right and all those other products that you would buy on the shelves, which are really expensive and you don't know what's in them, but that's the number they're shooting for. So when you're using your passata, you're getting the same result. Your tomatoes are getting the same potassium that they would if you were using an off-the-shelf tomato fertilizer.